this product can really only be demonstrated rather than kind of shown off. So this is kind of ridiculous how I look, but here I go. Hopefully I can get it in full frame on this GoPro. I have horizon lock on here with linear horizon lock, and it's like extended out like 3 feet. You didn't think you needed this angle either with this impeccable audio connected to my 360 camera. This is actually a way better shot in my opinion than the GoPro. Sheesh, looks like you're watching me the entire way. You can even have the front facing angle as well, seeing where I'm going. This is such a ridiculous accessory, but it is so needed. I highly recommend not using it on, super off-road, mainly paved terrain. Otherwise, it's going to get really bouncy and whatnot. But enjoy the rest of this ride with me as I toil. This is ridiculous. Hopefully the cords are being hidden. It's a little wobbly and rocky. This is ridiculous. Hopefully the wind isn't too windy. It's super windy on my part. But hopefully it can focus on my voice. There you have it. This is the ridiculous mount that you didn't think you needed, but now you want it. Links will be down below in the description. I've spent my own money on it. It's ridiculous, but it's actually holding pretty firm. You can't even see it in the shot here. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.